MR. They never cease to impress me. As a real estate professional, I interact with family clients every single day, and over the last year and a half, there has been a recurring problem mentioned by almost every client of mine who has a family of 4 to 5 and is looking for a decent place to live. Every interaction I have with these buyers, regardless of the developer or community, brings up two common objections: sizes and prices. They say, Archana, we are searching for a townhouse for our family, but the ones we are seeing are too small. And when I show them the villa, they say the villa is really nice, but the price is too high and it's more space than we actually need. Clients are left with absolutely no choice but to compromise, either by settling for a smaller townhouse or by stretching their budget to an uncomfortable level, leading most of my buyers to give up entirely. I'm sure many of you can relate to this scenario. You need a decent sized space but are forced to choose between a smaller townhouse or a larger villa, which is more expensive and not really what you are looking for. Our constant feedback has finally been taken into consideration, and yes, there is a solution. But before I go in detail of this project, I recommend you checking out my recent detailed video on this community, the Valley by MR, for an in-depth analysis. Now let's talk about the project, highlighting some major requirements that all home buyers have when they are looking to invest in townhouses and villas. Starting with privacy, spaciousness of a family for 4 or 5, closed kitchen, especially important for Arabic and Asian families, ensuite bedrooms, high ceilings and a double height entrance lobby that adds a sense of grandness to the villa, large living areas for entertaining guests, community gardens and play areas, and yes, last but not the least, larger backyard. And most importantly, value for your money. An intelligent investment opportunity and that good old feeling of being at home. Right now, Dubai's residential market is made up of just 15% villas and townhouses, with a huge 85% being apartments. This is starting to become a real issue. Since the pandemic, there has been a big increase in people wanting more space and community living, making villas and townhouses more popular than ever. And this trend is worrying for a few reasons. Firstly, the high demand of these properties is driving up their prices. And second, there is very limited supply of villas and townhouses, which means they might become even harder to find and afford in the future. If you are thinking about buying, it's important to consider how this might affect your options and investments. The rising interest in villas and townhouses could mean fewer choices and higher prices down the road. MR has addressed this need with villas tailor-made for this huge segment. Since yesterday, I'm sitting with these layouts and have been reviewing them. I'm focusing on amenities and facilities, but have found no flaws. The budget is just right and the features are everything a family needs. We are talking about the sweet spot of 4 million to 6 million dirhams. Most end users are unhappy with the existing supply of townhouses as they find the sizes inadequate for their family needs. Now this is where Avina becomes the star product. The concept offers a balance between the spaciousness of a villa and the affordability of a townhouse. Welcome to the Avina. Avina by MR offers you that perfect time to elevate your lifestyle and focuses on the majority of Dubai's population, which is about 60%. I guarantee that most people who invested in small townhouses are not satisfied with the sizes and would be happy to spend more for a bigger space. This feedback comes from my clients who have already invested and now wish for larger homes at better prices. MR has recognized this gap and provided the perfect solution by the name Avina. The entire master plan of the Valley Phase 1 and the Valley Phase 2 spans over 4.55 million square meters, with recent launches including Vellora and Venera, dedicated to 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, and now Avina 1 and 2 focusing on 4 bedroom twin villas. Now let's walk through this 4 bedroom villa in Avina together. Just imagine stepping into this 4 bedroom villa where every detail is designed to elevate your family living experience. As you enter, you have an impressive double height entry foyer that immediately sets tone for the luxury. To my right, there is spacious guest bedroom, perfect for accommodating your relatives and visitors. And towards this side, you have maid's room, followed by a semi-closed L-shaped kitchen, which is most in demand in Arabic and Asian families, as it offers more privacy, elegance, and accommodates our cooking styles. With a separate entry and exit through the backyard, again adding more privacy and convenience. The real highlight for me is this expansive living and dining area. And yes, there is a huge distance of 5.5 meters to 6.5 meters from the living area, which opens up to a massive garden space of your villa and is best for hosting gatherings, playing with your children, having a kitchen garden, or just enjoying your evening tea with your partner. Emaar has also provided enough space to their buyers to add a private pool on the either sides of the plot. It's strategically positioned at the corners to prioritize your privacy. And of course, there is a storeroom and laundry room, which further adds functionality to your villa setup. Moving upstairs, all the bedrooms are en suite, complete with walk-in closets and double vanity counters. Each space in your villa is designed to ensure that every family member has their own private space. But it doesn't stop here. You also have access to the rooftop that transforms your villa into something truly exceptional. In fact, you have a huge space here to create another bedroom, a gaming room, a family room, or even your own office space. And just look at this expansive terrace space and imagine the beautiful views you will enjoy. This was a quick walkthrough of the layout, and an important thing to also consider here is that the Valley's location is within Hind City, a community which is dedicated to Emirati citizens. This will ensure an exclusivity and demand among locals of the community, which will further enhance the long-term value and desirability of your investment. Don't make the mistake of settling for less. Just look at the bigger picture and push yourself for an upgrade. If you compromise today with a smaller living space, you will soon feel the need to move into a bigger home sooner than you can ever imagine. But if you invest in Avina now, you will never feel the need to move to a villa because it has every single thing you need right from the start, making it a long-term solution that eliminates the urge to move to a villa later on. Dubai's villa segment is stronger than ever and is currently witnessing a huge demand with a remarkable 139% increase as compared to the last year 2023. This trend focuses on the strength of the market, particularly in properties ranging from 4 to 7 million dirhams, which are experiencing substantial capital appreciation. You can take any example of any villa community around you, you will see the price appreciation. It's clear that 60% of Dubai's population is actively seeking for larger, more affordable living spaces, a trend that Avina at the Valley perfectly addresses. Now let's talk about its comparison. While there is simply no comparison for this community, it is important to note that Avina starts from just 1,100 to 1,200 dirham per square foot, significantly lower than the average market rate of 1,400 to 1,600 dirhams per square foot within 25-mile radius. This translates to an immediate saving and a healthy profit margin. In fact, you are paying approximately 21.43% less compared to the current market price of 1,400 dirham per square foot, even when considering the lowest price per square foot of other projects. Moreover, with a flexible payment plan allowing 20% each calendar year, owning a plot up to 4,000 square foot becomes an achievable reality. This combination of affordability and flexibility makes Avina an exceptional investment opportunity as there is a growing demand for larger townhouses but a very limited supply of larger plots in current communities. This is a place where your search for a final home destination ends. A place where people would like to stay for a lifetime. And let me remind you, Aveena has everything that a villa has, just not the price tag. That's all I can cover in this video, as time is the essence. Please reach out to me to understand more about this investment potential and find out what suits you the best. Signing off, Archana Bhan, Experience Realty.